Hey Harvey Park. This is your Saturday Market Mosey with Sean Michael Murphy. And this week we are at 16 homes active on the market. Despite what this page says here, this one is the only one that is that new hotness. This one on Patton went off the market, came back on. So I think I already went through that one a couple weeks ago. It's been on the market 26 days, but today's new hotness, one and only 2800 South Mabry Court. Mabry Court. Gotta sound it out. Gotta slow it down. It's 5 bedrooms. It's 2 baths. It's 2.5 baths. Sorry. 5 bedrooms. It's 2.5 baths. It's 2,522 square feet, sitting on a corner lot. This is the bigger of the Hutchinson models, so the 2-car garage, and it's almost a quarter acre. Across the street, you can almost see. You see the mountain line. So you're gonna have great sunsets from the front of your house. Go back here first to show you this. This is the corner. So tons of parking, and then on the south side of the house, you have a separate entrance, which is, I don't know if you're into that. You got it. All right, going inside, completely updated. It's got newer windows, original hardwood floors that have been refinished. They opened up the wall right here. Looks good. Granite countertops, nice big window. Back to the bedrooms. Look at this bathroom. I like it. A nice shower with the rainfall faucet, and the soaking tub is pretty sweet too. Bedroom number one, bedroom number two. This is the master bedroom with the half bath right there. Heading downstairs, so right when you walk down the stairs, your bathroom is right here. This is the storage, and there's a workshop. There you go. Big bedroom right when you walk down the stairs, bust a right, and there is a big bedroom. The one thing they didn't do is put in egress windows, so these are non-conforming bedrooms. Huge walk-in, not huge, but it's a big walk-in closet. It's deep. And there's where your furnace is. So this left, when you bust left, go to the bathroom. That connects to the bedroom on the other side, which you can see right there. And the living room, family space, whatever you call that other space in your house, has the second entrance. Big backyard, like I said, almost a quarter acre. Shed, and that's it, folks. Nice property. I'm going to be hosting that open tomorrow. Saturday. It's actually Friday right now. It's like 4:45. It's already freaking getting dark outside, but I'm ahead of the game. So Saturday and Sunday, I'll be hosting this open if you want to come by and check it out. Even if you're a neighbor, I always get you guys coming in that are like, hey, like, I'm a neighbor, like, stand down. It's fine. Like, I'm not going to attack you. Neighbors, I get it. It's cool. Come check out these other homes, especially because if you live in South Harvey Park, you probably live in a Hutchinson. Like, South Harvey Park is pretty much all Hutchinson models. So it's cool to go see other people's homes, get ideas. What am I going to say? Open houses. So Saturday, 11 to 2. Sunday, 2 to 5 after the game. Come by, see me, say what's up. This is the one home that sold this past week, 2023 South Paseo Way. Just closed yesterday, actually. Was listed originally at $424,900, and it sold for $417,450. Cool. Oh yeah, Mabry, by the way, is at $449,900. And that is your weekend update. I got a couple announcements for you. Okay, so first off, announcement. These homes that you see on my website, like disclaimer, they're not all mine. These are what is available in the market right now. So you can check them out by clicking the link below. And my site's free to use. Feel free. I know you guys like to check it out just to see what's out there. my site's a great place to do it because it is basically what realtors see. So it's continually updated and pretty awesome. What else? If you don't want to get this in the Facebook group or the next door page and have to search for it each week, and but you like getting it, you can sign up to get this in an email in your inbox each week when I post them. It'll just be a link to the YouTube video, and then that's below. And then lastly, those of you that signed up for the Halloween decoration contest, thanks for doing that. It was fun, it was festive, and we're going to announce the winners at the Harvey Park Community Organization HIPCO next Saturday, the 16th at 9:30 a.m. So we're changing it up. What we had in the newsletter is different than this, so pay attention. 9:30 Saturday, November 16th, is at Bear Valley Library. So we're trying to do it. Normally, they'll do them on a Wednesday night, I believe it was, Tuesday night. But we want to try to encourage more folks to come out. So we're going to try a different time, different location. So this is the library that's across from the King Supers in Bear Valley. So come on by. And did I say 9:30? I think I did. But if I didn't, it's 9:30. And that's it. That's all I got. I hope you guys are having a great week. Yeah, having a great week, or looking forward to your weekend, and reach out if you need anything. Talk to you later. Probably in 1 week.